Sony is no stranger to the true wireless earbuds market. It sells some of the best TWS we've heard of, namely the WF-1000XM4. But Sony has been hesitant to enter the more budget-friendly end of the market, that is, until they released the WF-C500, its smallest and most affordable true wireless earbuds so far. But to get the price right, Sony had to compromise on a lot of features that made its other models so compelling. Did it go too far? Let's answer this in our Cell Guru review. At first glance, the Sony WF-C500 looks like any other wireless earbuds out there, mostly resembling their own bigger brother, the WF-1000XM4s. They're a bit smaller when compared, so they don't protrude from your ear as much. The earbuds themselves wear the Sony branding visible when you wear them and have an actual round button on the side. The earbuds are comfortable, snug, yet soft enough to fit in your ears to wear them for hours. You can sit them as deeply as you need to, and once they've been placed, they do not budge at all. Combine this with their IPX4 water and sweat resistance, and you have a nice little set of companions that would make runners and other fitness enthusiasts pretty happy. Coming to the case itself, we must admit that we really like the case. While some will say that the translucent plastic top makes it look cheap, it feels sturdy, which is important in a product that is going to be rattling around in your pocket or bag all day long. Plus, the plastic top allows you to view the charging indicators without opening the case, which is a nice little time saver. Overall, the materials used are not cheap, and the semi-transparent lid of the charging case is a nice design choice in our opinion. The buds and the case don't feel premium, but rather sturdy and fit for daily use. Unfortunately, the same cannot be said for the buttons on the Sony WF-C500. The buttons on each earpiece are much harder to press because of their physical nature, particularly when you have to press 3 times in quick succession for some commands. The command system is basic, utilizing between 1 and 3 taps for commands like next song and lower volume. You can also hold down the right button to summon either Google Assistant or Alexa, which works well. Now coming to the good stuff. There is one thing we found to be consistent, and that is Sony's sound signature. It tends to be warm, with the bass being solid but rarely overbearing. There is a usually pleasing amount of detail and separation in the mid, upper mid and high frequencies. The earbuds sound rich and full, and the Sony Headphones app gives you the same opportunity to tweak the EQ. And speaking of the Headphones Connect app, it's pretty full-featured but misses out on some features like active noise cancellation, which makes listening in noisy environments difficult, or transparency mode for that matter. There is also no way to customize the controls on the earbuds, which is a shame. When it comes to battery life, Sony claims a playtime of 10 hours and the case holds an additional 10 hours for a total of 20. During our usage, the robust battery life was definitely noticeable and actually quite impressive. 10 minutes in the case will give the earbuds an hour of playtime. Wireless charging is not supported, but again, considering the price, it's not surprising. Priced at 8,990 rupees, the Sony WF-C500 gets a lot of things right. Whether it is sound quality, a comprehensive mobile app or a sturdy case, all being relatively affordable. Sony's reputation for great quality and value for money has not been diminished by the C500s, and for the sub 10,000 rupee price tag, they could very well be one of the best sounding sets of affordable wireless earbuds out there.